A fairly significant snowstorm is expected to hit the mid-Atlantic and possibly getting into southern New England as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday of this week. Winter storm watches have already been issued out ahead of the expected snowfall down through the Virginia and West Virginia mountains, up through Pennsylvania, parts of New York City, actually all of New York City, North Jersey, the Hudson Valley, and even getting through Connecticut, all of Rhode Island and Southeast Mass and part of Cape Cod. Now, this is for a high likelihood of seeing 6 or more inches of snow, and confidence is very high on that. In fact, there's a good chance that folks down this way are going to see a foot or more. Now, chances or confidence on getting 6 or more inches is a little bit lower across Massachusetts. So the National Weather Service has not extended that watch this far north yet. I think that it will happen, though, and we will eventually get under a winter storm watch, possibly a winter storm warning. But we're still 48 hours from the start of this thing, so it's not even going to begin until late Wednesday night. But what we know for sure is we are expecting snow with this storm. No mixing, no rain. It's not going to be a heavy, wet snow. It's going to be a drier, fluffy snow because we are going to be quite cold. I think we're going to have a good shot at 6 or more inches, especially south of the Mass Pike with less farther north. And then Wednesday night to Thursday morning is when we'll see the worst of it, and everything will start kind of tapering off by midday Thursday. So there's still track issues, and that is always a concern with a nor'easter. If this track is just a little too far to the south, the heaviest bands of snow are going to be closer to the coast. Even out toward the Cape and Islands, they could end up seeing significant snow as well. Now, if the track starts shifting a little bit farther north, and some of the models are indicating that, that means that heavier bands of snow will start reaching into western Mass. Looks like northern Berkshire County, Franklin County, you're still not going to get a blockbuster snowstorm in those areas, but there's the potential for some high amounts of snow. I mean, we're talking 12, maybe 18 inches as you get closer to the Mass Pike and farther south. But it's still questionable on who gets that much snow. Right now, we've got this system pulling off to the east. We saw just a little bit of snow today, not much for snow amounts. In the Berkshires, a few spots ended up with around an inch. Might have some slippery road conditions tonight. We clear out, we dry out, and Tuesday we'll have plenty of sunshine around, but a chilly day is on tap. Then we head into Tuesday night, not a whole lot changing. Cloud cover will start to increase Wednesday morning. By 5 p.m. Wednesday, the storm's precip is still well to our south, so you can get a lot done on Wednesday. It's not going to begin until Wednesday night, but as you can see, here's the mixing line south of Long Island. So mixing is not a concern with this storm. Snow should begin close to midnight and then last throughout early Thursday morning. We could see some 2-3 inch an hour snowfall rates, so it's going to pile up quickly. And again, it'll be a drier, fluffy snow, which means we could see some higher snow amounts too. So I think the highest snow amounts will be a little bit too far to our south, so we're not going to get that foot plus, but we could see 8 to 12 inches here across Hampden County and possibly southern Berkshire County as well. Then getting north of the Mass Pike, mostly 4 to 8 inches, north of Route 2, mostly about 2 to 4 inches. And this is definitely subject to change, so make sure that you keep looking in on the forecast because, again, we're still 2 days out. So decreasing clouds tonight. Watch out for a little black ice. Temperatures cold, dropping into the low to mid 20s. And tomorrow we struggle to reach freezing. The good thing is we'll have bright sunshine, but highs in the hill towns, upper 20s, and then we'll be lower to middle 30s for the Pioneer Valley. So definitely a chilly Tuesday, but at least a quiet weather day. Most of Wednesday quiet. Again, Wednesday night to Thursday morning, we've got snow with temperatures dropping to about 20. So it is going to be a dry, fluffy snow. Saturday, Sunday, it's looking like we'll have dry weather. Temperatures are going to stay chilly, especially on Saturday. Guys, back to you.